Welcome to GetonAgain Mark software. Today I will teach you range mark width. Open SuperNest. Take the range mark width. Write the mini width, max width, step. For example, your fabric mini width is 165, max width is 170. Step is 5. You can set like this. This function used to knitted fabric. The software will get a high efficiency marker. Then you can select the fabric width to cut the pattern. Click OK. Now software SuperNest width 165 cm. Now SuperNest 170 width. Okay, the SuperNest is finished. Now the high efficiency is 170 cm width. Thanks for watching.